Hey, what's going on guys, and welcome to the video. Now today's video is going to be the garage cleanup from the muddy Ford F-250 that you guys saw on the main channel a little while ago, and I hope you guys like mud because there's going to be a lot of it in this video. Okay, well just before we jump into the video, I figured I'd give you a quick look at the truck that was responsible for the mess. So looking around, you can see it's covered in mud front to back, including the underside, and then here's what my garage floor looked like after pressure washing the truck. And with that cleaned up, drain pit is looking super nasty, so hold on to your socks guys, this is going to be a good one. Okay, well as usual, we're kicking this video off with a bit of the pressure washing footage from the main channel video. Now if you want to see the rest of this detail, be sure to head over there and check it out. The truck turned out incredible, and that blue paint was gorgeous when I was done with it. Alright, now that the truck is clean, I've got it backed out of the garage so I can get the floor cleaned up, and I'm opting for the hose and broom today instead of the pressure washer, as I'm trying to keep things a little more under control today, as when you pressure wash really thick mud, it kind of sprays everywhere. So using the hose and broom will keep things clean, but also allow me to move the mud around a little quicker too. Now, if you can't already tell, the drain pit is completely full at this point, and these big chunks certainly aren't going to fit through the grate, so I'll quickly shovel them up. Okay, with the floor clean now and the detail finished, I'll start on the drain pit, and as you can see, it's looking downright nasty, and I'd say it's definitely the grossest and most colorful that I've seen it. So the first step here is to clean around the edges, and then I'll get started on scooping out all the thick mud. Here's a quick look at just how thick and nasty this mud is. This really is a gross job, and if I didn't have to do it again, I wouldn't be too upset, but unfortunately it's just part of the job when you detail really dirty vehicles like I do. Okay, with the majority of the mud out now, I'll fill it back up with water, and if you're wondering how this drain pit works, the big compartment fills up first, which then lets water pass through to the smaller compartment, and with dirt settling to the bottom, it greatly reduces the amount of dirt that ends up getting through the small compartment and into the drain, and basically just needs to be cleaned out whenever it gets too full of dirt. Alright, with the job done now, I'll simply run a whole bunch more water through it to flush out as much of the dirty water as I can.